Back out again today with the new bow. I have put one more thing on it. Obviously that I have got a better one coming, the one with the brushes on it. So that should be in a few days. And the PCP rifle is coming today as well, so that's getting delivered. So hopefully sometime next week, because I've had to order the pump and obviously the pellets. So I've ordered this PCP rifle in a 2.2. The other air one is a 177, so obviously I've got the 2.2, so that should be getting delivered today, hopefully. I have done the sight a little bit, tried to tweak it in. I've just had a quick go, and obviously I've got it straight away, so yeah, it's a good sign. So yeah, just out today really, just to get a bit more practicing with the bow. There's a few more things I am ordering for this, but I'll show you when I get them. But yeah, let's have a quick go today, because there's a few things what I do want to try. Obviously the exploding target, I've seen people shoot them obviously with rifles, but I've not seen anyone shoot with an arrow. You can shoot them with an arrow, but I haven't seen anyone do it yet, so I'm going to try and do that today, hopefully if I can get it with the new bow. Right guys, shooting an exploding target with an arrow. Let's close, let's go down. Close again, let's go down again. Close. Got it, you see that? That's it, you see that?